At Safelyio, we make managing toolbox talks simple and efficient. Let's walk through how our group toolbox talk process keeps your teams informed about workplace safety. Meet Mario, an administrator who uses Safelyio to easily schedule and send toolbox talks to his field supervisors. Let's take a look at how simple it is to manage toolbox talks with Safelyio. First, Mario creates a toolbox talk about workplace safety, hazard awareness, or updates on safety regulations. Next, he schedules the date and time when the talk will be sent to the supervisors. Nick, a field supervisor, receives a notification on his device. With just a tap, he opens the toolbox talk on his mobile device. Nick reviews the important safety topic with his crew and ensures everyone understands the information that was presented. Once the discussion has been completed, Nick takes attendance electronically on his device. Then, with one final tap, he acknowledges the toolbox talk was completed. And just like that, the system logs completion in the administrator dashboard. Alex, the administrator, can now easily track participation and generate reports with real-time data. And that's it. With Safelyio, group safety discussions are fast, easy, and trackable, ensuring every worker stays informed and safe. Ready to simplify your safety toolbox talk meetings? Visit safelyio.com to schedule a demo.